Welcome to today's new lesson. This gorgeous Christmas tree we are going to make today. I hope you will like this tutorial. If you do, please leave a like. This will really help the channel. If you are new to this channel and would like to watch more tutorials like this, please subscribe. In addition, if you are unfamiliar with Blender or 3D, please have a look at my courses which are carefully planned to teach beginners in a slow-paced, step-by-step manner in the quickest and most effective way possible. If you are interested, please check the link in the description below. Now let's begin the tutorial. Select the cube, press X and delete it. Go to front view, shift A, mesh and cylinder, scale it big, press S and scale, press tab for the edit mode, alt Z for the X-ray mode, press 1 for the vertex mode and select top vertices and scale it small, make it narrow, make a cone shape. Now select bottom vertices and scale it. Alt Z to come out of the X-ray mode. Now press select and checker deselect. So here alternate vertices are selected. Now drag them down to make it zigzag pattern. This is fine. Press 3 for the face mode. Select the bottom face. Press I. Insert little bit. Again press I and make it very small. Press tab for the object mode. Go to modifiers and add the subdivision surface. Make the level view 2 and the render also 2. Right click and shade smooth. Now press tab and we'll add the edge loops. Ctrl R. One more edge loop. Now Ctrl R and at the top also. This is fine. Now press the snap this magnet icon and bring it to top. Now deselect this. Select this and copy that. Shift D, bring it to top, make it little small. Again Shift D, bring it to top, make it little small. Shift D, bring it to top and make it little small. Now Shift A, mesh and cylinder, scale it to Z axis as Z. This is fine. Now select this and rotate it little bit. We'll put one more. Now we'll make the star on top of this one. Shift A, mesh and extras and simple star and rotate it to x-axis RX90. Bring it to top, rotate to y-axis. Add the subdivision surface, make it 2, right click and shade smooth. This is fine. Now we will add the lights. Shift A, curve, curve spirals and Archimedean. Increase the height, increase the radius and increase the turns also, and make the radius growth in the minus. Go to top view and adjust the light. Think this is fine. Select here, press O, press G, scale it big and adjust it. This is fine. Select the curve, go to curve properties, geometry and increase the depth. This is fine. Let's adjust this. Click the fill caps, so it will fill the caps here. Now let's create the ornaments. Shift A, mesh and cylinder. SZ and scale it small. Press tab for the edit mode, D for the face mode. Select top face. Press I and insert it. Press E and extrude it little bit. Again press I and insert. Now shift A, mesh and UV sphere. Bring it down. Scale this small and adjust it. Select this and make it very small. SZ. Now this is fine. Select the sphere, right click and shade smooth. Select this one, right click, shade smooth, press tab and we'll add the edge loops, Ctrl R. This is fine now. Now shift A, mesh and torus. Reduce the segments to 20. Here make it 8. Scale it small. RX90. Press tab, X-ray mode, press 1 and select the bottom vertices X and delete the vertices. Right click, shade smooth. This is fine. Now select all 3 objects and Ctrl J to join and give a name, ornament. Now Alt H to unhide the objects. Now we'll hang this ornament. Make it little small. Click on this magnet icon to snap. Click on the face. Hang it on the curve. Shift D. I arrange all the ornaments. You can see here. Now select all ornaments and we'll join them. Ctrl J. Now select this cylinder, press tab, bottom vertices and scale it big. It's fine. Now press Z and material preview. We'll give the material to this. Select the tree, add the material, make the green, make it little dark. Now select all the cones and select the material one, Ctrl L and link material to give material to all tree parts. Now we'll add one more material, white. Select this cone, press tab, press 3 and all these faces, select white and assign it. Now we applied this white snow border to all the cones. Select all and we'll join them. Ctrl J to join them. Now select the trunk, make the brown material. Right click and shade smooth. Now select the star, make it golden color. Reduce the roughness to 0.3. This ornaments, red. Another will be yellow. Select the random ornament. Hover over the mouse on the ornament and press L to select that. Select yellow and press assign. We'll make it little dark. Select the red and reduce the roughness to 0.2. Assign the colors to the ornaments. Now let's select this spiral. Give a name light. Click on the surface principal BSDF and select the emission. Make the color yellow. Make the emission 3. Make it little dark yellow so it looks like a light. Now our lights are set. This one is the sun and the strength is 0.5. This is the area light and the strength is 50 watt, and for this emission material we made strength 5. And now let's do render settings. Make it cycle, GPU compute, denoise, and render max samples, make it 512. Color management, look medium to high contrast, render and then render image. That's it for today's tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed this one, and if you did, don't forget to leave the like. It will really help my channel, and you are new to channel and you would like to see more tutorials like this, hit the subscribe button. Thank you all and have a nice day.